Hi, and welcome to this video introduction to GIW, our passion and purpose. It's hard to imagine, but people born today will require an incredible 3.5 million pounds of minerals, metals, and fuels over their lifetime. Those resources have to be pumped from the earth. Slurry transport is the most common means. And that's where we come in. GIW Industries Incorporated is the industry leader in slurry transport. We have the technology and experience to transport just about any type of material or slurry. We specialize in pumping elements embedded in rock, sand, and clay. Large mining equipment and process plants excavate, crush, screen, and liberate these elements from the hardest of rock. During this process, these elements are mixed with water to form a slurry solution for easing transportation within these processing plants. The slurry pump is like the heart of these systems, transporting this slurry solution from one process to another until the elements can be manufactured into our automobiles, refrigerators, and even the gold on your finger. But we pride ourselves on being more than a pump manufacturer. Long before any earth is moved, before any pipe is laid, before a new pump is manufactured, the process begins in the GIW test facility. This is where we get down to the real dirt. What are you moving? How much do you need to move? How far do you need to move it? What are the conditions under which the whole system has to perform? This is where we start. This is the metallurgical lab where GIW's proprietary materials are developed. Using state-of-the-art tools, predictive corrosion and erosion tests are done to assure that the right materials are used for each application. Paired with the metallurgical lab is the GIW Hydraulic Test Laboratory, the largest of its kind in the world. This is where over 100 years' experience and real-world performance testing gives us the confidence to know how the equipment will respond in any given application. The GIW Hydraulic Lab uses over 100 instruments for collecting data and performs prototype to full-scale testing on pumps, equipment, and slurries in loops ranging from 3 to 20 inches in diameter. Test runs in the lab provide the necessary information to properly design and implement an energy-efficient and effective transport system. Using CFD and wear modeling tools, the design team can predict the hydraulic and wear performance of your pump before it leaves our facility. Witnessed pump tests ensure the pump you have ordered meets all of your specifications before it arrives on site. And the payoff? You get a system that lasts longer, reduces operating costs, and vastly improves production. Look, the bottom line is this. Promises have to be backed by performance. So we have to know going in how every part will react to job-specific stress and indigenous corrosive elements. We combat those issues every day, so we are continually on the leading edge, developing next-gen alloys, from white and ductile irons to the industry's best natural rubber, even ceramic wear components. We've drilled down into the guts of every industry application we serve, including pumping abrasive slurries in the oil sands, hard rock, phosphate, FGD, and aggregates markets. It's GIW's unwavering commitment to integrate research, design, manufacturing, and testing that makes us such a rock-solid resource. You recognize this? It's a slide rule. The world's first hydraulic slide rule was developed by GIW and resides on display in the Smithsonian. But even that technology is not good enough for today's tolerances. Instead, we're using electron and optical microscopes along with computer modeling to make sure every element is designed and assembled to our exacting attention to detail. Our detailed SliCell computer program precisely calculates the match between the pump and the system to achieve the best fit for your applications. This is often an overlooked but vital part of getting things right. We're here to help ensure efficient and stable transport operations, and we have the experience to do it. You see, detail is what makes GIW GIW. We look at it this way. We're building more than a pump. We're building a relationship. Our mission is to be recognized as the best single source for all slurry and process needs and solutions by our customers, competitors, employees, and shareholders. How do you define success? We need to know so we're all on the same page. Is it reduced waste or less environmental impact you're after? Then take a look at GIW's transportation management and thickened paste pump technology to improve environmental efficiency. Does success mean a stronger return on investment? Then GIW's experience, expertise, and hydraulic transport systems can maximize productivity and generate greater profits. And that's not just talk. Our innovative technologies provide rock-solid performance, whether you're moving gravel or gold. Look at this. Our continuous mobile sand mixer not only increases the quality of our work, but also helps reduce the lead time from design to implementation. Couple this with our automatic shot blast for cleaning castings, and we've saved you days, even weeks of time, and that's money. Our molding innovations allow us to cast at closer tolerances than ever before, and we can pour 25 tons in a single pour. Also, through continual process improvements, our castings are more reliable than ever. Our new CNC machining centers now include larger capacity, more robust horizontal and vertical mills, increasing our throughput in large parts manufacturing by over 100%. It's like being in the express lane at a checkout. And what if you already have a pump in place? Extend the life and increase the efficiency of your slurry pumping equipment with GIW Industries Region Service Centers. Region provides one-stop total customer support for GIW products. Pump and bearing assemblies are restored to OEM specifications using the latest design and strictly OEM replacement parts. Choosing GIW means getting around-the-clock service for any and all of your equipment needs. Region offers disassembly and inspection, quotes for rebuilding and repair costs, and refurbishing and returns, as well as remanufactured pumps. You get reduced maintenance costs, reduced parts inventory, and upgrades to new technologies. GIW is dedicated to lowering your total cost of ownership and extending the life cycle of your products through Region Service Centers. Remember the old line, there are 3 factors in every job: quality, cost, and time? But you can only pick 2? At GIW, you get to choose all 3 because we don't think quality should ever be compromised. In fact, we add a 4th factor. It's called customer service, at a level that is unequaled in the industry. You see, at our very core, we are quality driven. The quality of our products in the field is seen worldwide, but the legendary quality of our customer relationship is only known by those who are experiencing it. You need to. So we've talked about attention to detail and ways to be successful. We've addressed quality, cost, and time. We've looked at new equipment and remanufactured options. And we've gotten to the bottom line: promises backed by performance. It all adds up to one company, GIW. For more information, give us a call or find us on the World Wide Web. Oh, and speaking of worldwide, we are. And that means we're probably close enough to take a look at your project right now. For rock-solid results, call GIW.